trunk lid mechanism. What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me. I'm working on my Honda today. I had a problem with my trunk lid mechanism, and after doing a little bit of research, everybody's having the same damn issue. It's due to poor engineering of the trunk lid mechanism. Holy shit, that's a tongue tire. Trunk lid mechanism. Anyway, I seen some crazy ass videos. I seen people taking it apart. I seen people crawling through their car. I mean, what the hell are you people thinking? Basically, all it needs is some good lubing. I don't care, PB Blaster, WD-40, grease, cooking oil, olive oil, avocado oil, whatever the hell you have, it just needs to be greased up, lubed up, whatever the hell you want to call it. There's no other issue with this thing. They just get worn out, a lot, you know, opening and closing. I fixed mine within 5 minutes. There's three major spots you want to put the lube on. Right here on the back here, there's a little panel. You pop it off with a screwdriver. Boom. If you look in there, all that stuff needs to be lubed up. Second spot is going to be right here where it actually latches on. Open all the way up so you get some good lube in there. Leave it up. Let it work itself in there. Spray the shit out of it. You can always clean up. Be generous. And the third place, which really makes a huge difference that nobody's talking about. I mean, they're fucking taking these apart. They're doing all kinds of crazy shit, buying new parts. It's a simple fix, people. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. Here's your other spot right here. You want to get some lube right back in there. There's some springs. Work it. Back and forth. Lube it again. Work it. Lube it again. Spray the shit out of it. You can always wipe it up. Be generous. I promise you this will work. These other people are just freaking nuts. I don't know what they're thinking. Anyway, hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you. See you on the next video.